So today I'm doing something different. It's not travel or food related. I'm actually here at Miss Esthe, here at the Uptown Mall in Bonifacio Global City, and I'm gonna have a treatment. I don't really have problematic skin, but because it's been so hot, I've had a few breakouts. So right now, even if I don't regularly do facials and treatments and stuff like that, I'm going for one right now because I've really had so many problems this summer with my skin. So I really hope to get it back to its full radiance. Okay, now I'm ready and I'm here with my good friend Audrey. There from Pigging Out on Sundays. Yay! Okay, let's go. So as you can see over here, that's where I had all the problems during the summer because it was so hot. So I had a lot of like whiteheads and breakouts in that area. Especially when I went to Bali because it was so hot there. Okay, so now my face is free from makeup. Of course, I still have my lipstick. Pero wait, ayan, no more kilay, no more eyeliner. Okay, so we just finished the treatment with the Ultrasonic machine. It was actually a way to take out all the gunk from my face. So I removed, removed all the whiteheads and all the other, impurities on my face using only vibrations. So there was no pricking or any invasive treatment. It was just the machine that had that used vibrations to bring out all of the accumulated oils and dirt on my face. So, I'm supposed to check the contour. O, diba? Wala na ba yung double chin ko? Triple chin ko? Na-lessen daw, hindi na nawala. Na si ate. Na-lessen lang. Okay, fine. Huwag daw ako masyadong mangarap. Okay, so now I look like a geisha.
Yes, you do. Phantom of the Opera.
Phantom of the Opera, moms. Okay, so now this is a brightening mask. So hopefully it will get rid of all the dark spots that I got from like I said, I had problematic skin during the whole summer because it was so hot. So I got a lot of spots like in the forehead and here on the side. So hopefully that will sort everything out. So now we're in the home stretch. This is gonna be the Biomass treatment to improve the texture of my skin. of funny. Okay, now we're done. So, can you see the difference in my face? That was really refreshing and relaxing. I can feel the softness on my skin, but I'm not gonna keep touching it at the risk of messing it up.